Hey everyone! Today I'm breaking down Remitly, the app designed to make international money transfers easy, fast, and more affordable than traditional bank transfers. If you've ever sent money to family overseas or needed a reliable way to move cash across borders without hours of paperwork, Remitly aims to solve that with a user-friendly mobile experience. Right from the start, what stands out about Remitly is how simple the process feels. The app puts the key steps front and center. You choose the country you're sending money to, enter the amount, and Remitly instantly shows you the exchange rate, fees, and delivery speed options. That transparency is helpful because international transfers are notorious for hidden fees or confusing pricing, and Remitly tries to make everything clear before you confirm. You typically get two delivery options: speedier transfers for a slightly higher fee, or standard transfers that take longer but cost less. This gives you control depending on whether you need the money to arrive quickly or want to save on costs. Once you pick your preferred route, you just enter the recipient's details, bank account, mobile wallet, or even cash pickup locations in some countries, and confirm. One of the biggest benefits for most users is how fast transfers can be compared to old-school bank wires. In many corridors, funds arrive within minutes or a few hours, which is significantly better than waiting days with traditional banks. The app also keeps track of your history, delivery status, and exchange rate details, so you always know exactly where your transfer stands. Security and compliance are another strong point. Remitly uses industry-standard protections, and the app requires identity verification before you can send large transfers. This extra step may feel a bit tedious at first, but it adds a layer of protection that's important when money's moving internationally. That said, there are a few things to keep in mind. While Remitly is often cheaper than traditional banks, it's not always the absolute cheapest compared to every competitor. Rates and fees can vary depending on the corridor, amount, and delivery speed you choose. Also, the app's availability and supported payout methods differ by country, so it's a good idea to check what options exist for your specific destination before committing. Overall, though, Remitly hits a sweet spot for everyday people who need a dependable, quick, and transparent way to send money internationally. It doesn't require complex bank forms or long wait times, and the mobile interface makes it feel almost effortless. If this review was helpful, go ahead and like the video, subscribe for more real-world app breakdowns, and leave a comment telling me what app you want reviewed next.